Here's how to play a C Sus2 on the guitar. Second finger is not down. It's often a little bit difficult to tell in this sort of environment. It's just like a regular C chord, but you lift off the second finger. And that's most commonly how you're going to find this chord. Very rarely is it that just by itself. It's normally that kind of thing where it's just lifted off. You'll often find it written down though as a C Sus2. Important things here. Third finger is muting the thickest string. Third finger is down, playing the third fret of the fifth string. Open, open. First finger is playing the first fret of the second string and muting the thinnest string. Okay? If you're just using it as an embellishment, you can play that thinnest string as well. But for a proper Sus2, C Sus2, you need to keep that note muted.